Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing issue in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera and click on 0.5x zoom and move away object from camera and tap and hold on screen. Your autofocus will be locked, and if it doesn't work, then open camera and autofocusing not work on portrait, then go back to photo and tap and hold. Your autofocus will be locked. If the both option doesn't work, then restart your phone. For restart your phone, press and hold power button and volume down button at the same time and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open settings again and click on general and click on software update. Here you can check your software update. If the iOS latest version will be updated, if it doesn't update, then update it. After updating that, your problem will be fixed. It doesn't fix, then open setting again and open general and scroll down last, and you can see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and reset all settings. Here enter your screen passcode. Reset all settings. It will be reset all your settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other apps. It will reset only settings. So after reset that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.